Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve layouts on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve layouts on Shein app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click. Here you can go to first tab and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. And if it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.